Here's an example of what I made yesterday and the $300 I made today. This was very simple and took me less than 5 minutes to set up with this tool that did all the work for me. In this video, I will show you how you can set this up yourself and which specific app I've been using to accomplish this. But first of all, comment down below and let me know what you would do with an additional $300 a day. Would you save it all up to buy something expensive? Do you have something in mind that you want to spend it on right now? Would you plan long-term and invest your extra money? What do you plan to do? Tell me now in the comment section below. Also, make sure to like this video before we start this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a big thumbs up if you like making money online, and be sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. And of course, turn on the notifications so you'll be the first to learn new ways to make money online. So first, I just want to show you an example that this really works. This person made over $300 yesterday and $460 in affiliate commissions. Next, I'll show you which important apps that you can use to set up this passive income stream for yourself. You don't need to spam your affiliate link on different websites. You won't need to make a YouTube channel to promote their products. You don't even need a social media account to make this all work. A complete beginner or newbie with no skills can do this as long as you don't skip ahead and follow all the steps from this video. Today, we're going to use JVZoo as our affiliate marketing website. This is over at jvzoo.com, and it has a ton of products we can pick from. This is similar to ClickBank and Warrior Plus, but offers a variety of digital and physical products or make money online products. But it has a large selection of possible products. They also list many offers in multiple niches, so you can always find something you would like to promote. They also can pay you through Stripe, Payoneer, or PayPal once you start making commissions through this website. First, you will need to click on the Start for Free button right here so you can sign up to be an affiliate with the website. You will do the normal registration by entering your full legal name, a valid email address, create a password, retype the same password, then select the country you are from. As you can see, this website works with the people all over the world, so most likely your country is going to be listed there. At the bottom, make sure to remember to click the box for acknowledging the JVZoo agreements, policies, and disclaimers by clicking on this link right here. Then you can finish up by clicking the register button. Now, you're all set to go. It will take no more than 2 minutes to complete this entire process. When you've created your absolutely free account, you can now access your dashboard. This dashboard will display important information regarding your account, such as your total daily clicks, visitors, sales, gross, revenues, and earnings. Most programs will offer their affiliates 50% of each sale, but some will even pay you more than that. 50% is a very good rate and will be a great way to earn massive profits. As a reminder, since we're promoting these offers as affiliates, you will not be responsible for creating or selling the product. It is all taken care of for you. JVZoo's affiliate vendors create high-quality products, professional sales pages, landing pages, host a website, do the selling, deliver the product, handle customer support, and much more. Most of them will split the profits with you. And since you don't have to do any of the hard work, your only focus is to drive traffic to the affiliate link. I will show you how you can do that automatically. Once you've created an account at JVZoo, you can go over to the second tab that says Affiliates right here. There will be a drop-down menu where you can navigate to locate products so you can start browsing affiliate product offers. Then you can drive traffic to these affiliate links and start making money from sales. When the next page loads, it will display various different offers that you can start promoting. And the best thing about JVZoo is that it gives you all these useful statistics that help you decide which offer to promote. It will show you the sales volume per month along with the conversion rate, which tells you how many people actually bought the products after viewing the landing page and the sales page. For example, you can see here that it's 3%. This means that 3 people bought the product for every 100 people who visited the sales page and spent an average of $32. The reason there's an average price for the product is that the sales page usually upsells similar products. This means that someone who visits the page can spend hundreds of dollars in a single purchase. The absolute and most important thing to look at is the refund rate. Usually, this shows how satisfied people are with the product. You should look for a refund rate that is less than 5% to make sure that it's a really good product that you're promoting. Although some products are really good and have low refund rates, some have been launched a long time ago. For example, this has been launched 6 years ago, so they're really old. You most likely won't want to promote these types of products. You need to find some new products that have been launched within a year. It would be better if you can find something that started this month. Now here you can browse all the current categories that's available on JVZoo Marketplace. There is a wide variety of products ranging from business and finance, cooking and food, education, employment, entertainment, and all the way to sports, travel, writing, speaking, and more. There's so many options that you can eventually grab affiliate offers for all of those categories for any of those niches. So if you're into sports, you can promote the sports offer. If you're into fitness, you can promote fitness offers. If you love gaming, you can promote gaming affiliate offers. The possibilities are endless. For example, if you want to promote something from business and finance section, you can view all these different offers. As you can see, they offer a lot of variety, but you want to narrow it down to something newly released. You can do this by selecting the launch date arrow. Then you can wait a little until the page loads, and then it will organize all these different offers based on when they were launched. You can see exactly how many sales they did, their conversion rate, visitor value, average price, commission, and so much more. Most of the time, the commission is going to be 50%. I'm going to highly recommend you focus on products that give you 50% or more on commission, even though some pay out more. Let's do some math. Let's imagine I'm going to promote this product right here that has over 1,000 sales. The conversion rate is 19%, which is amazing. Let's say that on average, out of 100 people that are clicking on the link, 19 of them will take action and buy this offer with the average price of $29. If you do the math, for 100 people who are referred to this website, I can make hundreds of dollars in commission. And the refund rate is less than 1%, which is just really good. So once you find a product that you like, just click on the request approval button right here. Then start filling out the form by telling them why you would be a great affiliate and request permission to promote this offer. You can type in the box something like, I will be a great affiliate for this product because I work within the niche and have experience promoting similar products. Then check the box that confirms that you've read and followed instructions. Next, complete the CAPTCHA and then click Request Approval. In just a few simple steps, and this should take you no more than a minute to request to be an affiliate for the product. You should be accepted the same day so you can start promoting. Once you get approved, you can copy your special affiliate link for that specific offer like this in the example. Then all you need to do is copy your link and start driving traffic to it so that people can act on the offer and you can profit from the commission of the sale. So now I will tell you about how to generate the traffic source. I have been using several methods that you can use as well to make some decent commission. Now there's two main methods to go about this. The first way is the traditional route where you use social media to promote those affiliate offers. This means going to Twitter and finding people in the niche and offer them your affiliate link. You can also try out Facebook groups since there's so many to choose from. They have hundreds of members that you can show your link to. You can also go above and beyond by creating your own YouTube videos without showing your face. You can just record yourself reading the sales page and describing the product. These are all fantastic traffic sources, but they all require you to do some work. Now, if you want another way, I will tell you about the second way you can go about this. There is an app you can use to generate traffic for any link or any offer in less than 60 seconds. This new app is called Binsta, and you can find it at getbinsta.com. You can pretty much promote anything with this, including all your affiliate offers. The way it works is that you can give them any keywords from your niche and they will create high quality videos where you can paste into the software of your affiliate link, where you can drive traffic to it. Now, I'm not going to explain to you in details in this video because they have a short step-by-step tutorial that will show you exactly how it works once you sign up. This is a brand new app that puts your link in front of up to 1 billion visitors at the same time for unlimited free traffic in 60 seconds. It can drive all the traffic to your affiliate link, and you can even do it if you are a newbie and have no experience. You can use this to market many different products and not just advertising JVZoo products. This app leverages Instagram and its many users to use artificial intelligence to do all this while you sleep. But there is something you need to know. Binsta is not free to use. For step number 1, click any button on this page to get Binsta for the lowest price. Right now, you just have a one-time payment of $27.99. This deal will get you a lifetime access to this tool. Step number 2 is to simply connect your Instagram account with the Binsta app. Once you sign up, there's a video training for this part and it will only take few minutes. For step number 3, you will add your affiliate link and let Binsta do the heavy lifting. So go there, explore, sign up, and use it for a lifetime to get traffic to all the different offers that you want to promote from JVZoo or any other affiliate platform and start earning passive income. I hope you gained a lot of value from this video. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our new and exciting contents. As always, thank you for watching and I will see you sometime in our next videos.